In this video, you'll learn how to see your call history on the Microsoft Teams app. Checking your call history allows you to review past calls, see who you spoke with, and quickly return missed or recent calls, whether they were audio or video. Let's get started. Open the Microsoft Teams app and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand side of the app, click on the Meet tab. This section is dedicated to all calling features in Microsoft Teams. Once you're in the Meet section, look for the recent area, then click View All. Here, you'll see a list of your recent calls, including incoming calls, outgoing calls, and missed calls. Each entry shows details such as the caller's name, the type of call, and the time and date of the call. Click on any call in the list to view more details. From here, you can quickly call the person back, start a video call, or open a chat with them. Your call history in Microsoft Teams syncs across devices, so you can view the same information whether you're using Teams on desktop, web, or mobile. Reviewing your call history helps you stay organized, follow up on missed calls, and manage your communication more efficiently. That's how to see your call history on the Microsoft Teams app. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.